If you're posting Facebook Reels but not seeing any real revenue from them, there are 3 things you can start doing today to turn that around. My thought is if you're posting Reels anyway, you might as well maximize the return you're getting from your efforts instead of just posting to post with no ROI. So make sure you watch the end of this video because I'm sharing the top 3 ways to get sales from Facebook Reels. And in case you don't know, I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. So the first way to get sales from Facebook Reels is via automated comment responses. This is something that is working for our own posts, so let me show you how it works. You post a Facebook Reel that is giving value to your audience, and either in the Reel itself or in the caption, preferably both, you give a call to action to comment a certain word in order to learn more or get a free ebook or get a free proposal or whatever your free lead magnet is. If you're in e-commerce, it could be comment product name to get the link DM to you. You then set up an automated response, which I'll show you how to do in a second, so that every time someone comments that word, they automatically get a DM or direct message that directs them to the lead magnet, whether that's a landing page, your website, or what have you. So here's an example of this in action. For us, we offer a free custom proposal and quote to our leads who schedule a call with us. And a lot of our posts, after we've shared valuable information on how to market your business effectively, we give the call to action to comment and receive that free proposal. So in this one, we're sharing 5 powerful words that instantly convert. At the end of our caption, we say, need help creating ads that convert viewers into buyers? Comment convert and we'll send you a DM. And we had 8 people right out the gates commenting the word convert. Those people automatically received a DM from us without me having to go in there and send each one manually. And the DM basically says, hey, we saw your comment, schedule a call here to get a free proposal, custom built to fit your needs, and a free quote to go with it, with a link. If you're in e-commerce, this gets even simpler because you can just create great content showcasing your products in action and then say comment product name to shop. Or add some exclusivity to it and say comment product name to shop the pre-sale or to shop early, etc. Then when they comment the product name, they'll get that exact product link sent straight to their inbox. So you can drive direct website traffic and sales from your Facebook Reels. So how do you set this up? There's one program we use to do this for all of our clients these days, and it's called Marketing Tank. It's our all-in-one customer acquisition system because it can do a lot more than just messenger automations. So you can check it out in a free trial if you want to. The link will be down below. But let me show you how we use it to set up messenger automations. Once you're logged in, you'll come down here to automation, then click new workflow. You can either select from one of our templates or a template you've already set up, or you can do like what I'm going to do for the sake of this tutorial and start from scratch. Now, the general premise of an automation is that something happens to start the automation called a trigger, and then you set up what you want to happen every time that trigger happens. In this case, you can either automate messages when someone fills out your Facebook lead form or when they comment on a Facebook or Instagram post. You'll want to select when they comment on a post, make sure you select your Facebook page, and then from there set up the action that you want to happen when that trigger happens, which in our case would be a Facebook message automatically messaged to them when they comment. This is one of the hottest ways to get sales from Reels right now, and I'm telling you from firsthand experience, it works. But in order for it to work, you have to implement the second method that I'm about to share. So the second way to get sales from Facebook Reels is to post about stuff people actually care about. Now, before you skip ahead or exit out, this is not a filler step. This one matters. Do you know what statistically is needed for a customer to buy from a brand? Trust. 81% of consumers say that it's the deciding factor in their purchasing decision. If customers don't trust your brand, it doesn't matter what you post, they're not buying from your brand. So how do you get customers to trust you? By giving them free value they actually need. If you look at any of our social media channels, including YouTube, all you'll find is us telling you guys exactly how to market your business. We're not sharing marketing fun facts or talking about our awards and accolades. We're giving away the info that you guys actually want for free. And as a result, we get real leads and clients from doing that every month. Think about your niche and how you can do the same thing. What does your target audience want as it relates to your product or service? If you're in retail, maybe it's a reel of fall outfit ideas that mix and match your pieces. If you're a plumber, maybe it's a tutorial reel on how to fix a leaky faucet. Make a list of what your audience actually finds valuable and create content around that so that when you implement step 1, you'll actually get the comments. And you'll be establishing yourself as the trusted authority figure in your niche over other competitors because you're showing your expertise and how knowledgeable and helpful you are. And then lastly, the third way to get sales from Facebook Reels is by putting advertising dollars behind them. When you run a sales campaign in Facebook Ads Manager, it's going to show the ad to people within the target audience you select who are most likely to purchase. A lot of business owners choose the engagement campaign because it takes little to no setup. It's also also sometimes called boosting your posts. But with that campaign objective, Facebook is just trying to find people who are likely to engage with your ad. If you get likes, comments, views, and 0 sales from that campaign, Facebook is going to call that a win because that's what the engagement campaign optimizes for. But if you run a sales campaign, you're optimizing for direct conversions, whether that's website sales or website lead form completions. If you've watched our other videos, you know that short vertical videos like Reels are still the #1 media type on social media right now. So think of it like this. If you're implementing all of these steps, you're putting advertising dollars behind Reels that are of high value to your audience. So you're dramatically increasing the amount of targeted eyeballs seeing your Reels, and Facebook is automatically showing the Reel to people within your target audience who are the most likely to convert. So either you're driving waves of direct, targeted, high intent website traffic and getting sales that way, or you're catching organic leads and sales and traffic with your automated responses. Either way, you're maximizing the value of your Facebook Reels and generating that ROI that you're looking for.